Hello world, my name's Charlie and I'm the Offbeat Picker. I am a full-time reseller and full-time deal hunter, and this video is going to show you the board game section and the craft kit section at Walmart, July 2023. And I will be showing you the UPC numbers, the barcodes, for all of the products that are on clearance right now. Every July there is a huge toy clearance. That's how the stores empty out the old toys and they bring in the new Christmas holiday toys, what they think is going to sell this upcoming season. So they've got to get rid of the old stuff and bring in the new stuff. So July is toy markdown season. So this video is just like my coffee clearance video. If you saw it, I'm just giving you the UPC numbers. I try to stay on each item for a few seconds, so maybe you can pause it if there's something you're interested in. And you can take these UPC numbers and you can go on eBay and look up how much these games sell for. You can punch it into BrickSeek with the numbers and see if there's any so many miles away from you. You can punch the number into the Walmart app and see how much it's ringing up at your local Walmart store, whatever one is closest to you. Or you can even scan these barcodes or put in the numbers onto your Amazon app and figure out if any of these things would be profitable for you to pick up. This is my favorite time of year when the toys get marked down. It actually happens twice every year. They also do this in January. In January, they get rid of what doesn't sell for the holidays. And in July, they get rid of what didn't sell so they can bring in more for the holidays. It's just all about that Christmas gift giving cycle. And that is how the toys get marked down. So July is one of my favorite months to go shopping. I love finding marked down toys. They do follow this at almost every store you can think of. Walmart, CVS, Walgreens, Target, even grocery stores will mark down their toys and reset the aisles in January and July. So if you need toys for gifts for the holidays, if you're looking for toys to donate, if you're looking for toys to resell, now is the time to be looking for toys. You can see all my card games that were on clearance seem to all be empty. There were some pegs, but they're empty. This is my favorite find, Star Wars Monopoly. I do have my own personal collection of Monopolies, so it's hard for me to deny a Monopoly that I don't have when it's on clearance. I haven't bought this one yet because I'm waiting for it to go cheaper. $13 is still a little much to me. I think it'll go cheaper before it empties out on the shelf. And this is the first Walmart that I've hit for clearance. I've only gone to one so far. I do like to go to multiple stores in my area. Kind of increases my chance of getting a good deal. That's one of the newer games, the Ninja Turtles Monopoly. I kind of got fixated on that for a second because I really want it, but if you follow toy markdowns, more than likely that one will get marked down next January. That's typically the way the cycle goes. The stuff they're bringing in that's new right now, they'll let it go in January so they can bring in new stuff. It's a constant thing where they get rid of toys, bring in new toys. I thought that Yeti and Spaghetti was clearance, but it had a clearance tag below it, but it was for a different game. So that's why I started to look at that one and then moved away. A lot of the little kid games they got on clearance. These aren't my favorite things to buy and look at, but that Goliath brand, I have sold some games on Amazon, that brand, for good money before, so I probably should have scanned these with my Amazon app, but I was too busy trying to record things and make a video. Maybe I'll use the UPCs on the video so I can look it up. Use my own video to help me. That's probably a good idea. That would make sense, right? If you do enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you like seeing deals, because I'm not only a reseller and I'm going to post videos to help people make money selling things. I'm a deal hunter. I used to be an extreme couponer. So I follow the cycles of the sales, and it's just what I do. And I always go out clearance shopping. So it just made sense to me to start creating these videos to share with people to help them find clearance items in their own area. So I feel like these can be helpful for couponers, helpful for people that just want to save money, or helpful for resellers. So if you like seeing what's on clearance at Walmart and clearance at Dollar General, or you like seeing somebody who buys a whole lot of plush to resell online, then you should definitely subscribe to my channel. Those are the kinds of videos I'm focusing on. I do plan on making more educational reseller videos. It's just about time. There's never enough time in a day. I think everybody can agree with that at this point. I do here show you the Sky Shelf just to remind you, if you find a game that's on good clearance, or you know it should be on clearance, you always check the top shelves, because they might have some stacked up there that they're hiding for themselves, or just that they had overstock of and stuck at the top. Here I do show you the puzzle section. And I'm showing you that there are several tags that say clearance puzzles. I did not pull these out and take pictures of the individual barcodes in puzzles, because puzzles tend to be a thing that get restocked in the wrong spot. So quite often, if you're going to try to find the puzzles that are marked down, you need to get your Walmart app out and make sure you scan each one individually to make sure it actually is on clearance. Because there's a good chance the puzzle that's behind the price tag is not the puzzle that's on sale. So if you're looking for clearance puzzles, definitely make sure you scan it in your Walmart app. If you didn't know, the Walmart app does have its own barcode scanner, and you can connect it to pick up your location, or you can put in your exact store that you're in, and it will let you scan the prices in the store. So you don't have to walk and find a scanner. You don't have to walk and find an employee. You can do it on your phone, which is pretty awesome. I wish every store would do the barcode scanners. It's very helpful. I use it a lot at Walmart. For some reason, sometimes my app does glitch, and I have to. Typically when I get to a store, I will just delete the app and then reinstall it, because that only takes about a minute and a half. And when I reinstall it, it will work better in the store. I don't know why. I guess because it's like every other app, it's not perfect. But it is incredibly helpful to be able to scan things and have it tell you how much it is without, you don't have to do any of the guesswork. You don't have to go, oh, I think this is on clearance. I think I saw somebody else get this on clearance, and go to the register and cross your fingers. You can just take the guesswork out, scan it in your app, and then you know exactly how much you're going to get charged. So I find that super helpful. So you can see there's several craft kits, a lot of more girly targeted craft kits that I found on sale, but we don't make a lot of boy craft kits. Like, I don't know, maybe Walmart just doesn't sell a lot of the craft kits that are more targeted at boys. They've got a lot of girly stuff, but got some magnet blocks, lots of stuff on clearance. So yeah, I hope this video helps you find some deals. I hope this video helps you make some money. If you subscribe, I will be releasing at least one more video showing some toys that are on sale. but I didn't get to record the whole toy section because my phone battery was dying. And if you want me to go back to Walmart and scan the rest of the toys, please subscribe, please like the video, please leave me a comment, because if it doesn't get enough views, I'm not going to keep making these videos. But if you like this, please let me know. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it helped you. Until next time, guys. Bye.